Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix auto restart issue on Mobile Legends. So let's get started right away. First of all, make sure that you have your stable internet connection by checking your internet connectivity. You can try running up a speed test or simply open up any other application that uses internet and see if this application is working just fine. If this application is working well, then it means that your internet connection is not the issue. In most of the cases, an unstable internet connection is the culprit for auto restart of the Mobile Legends game. So if this is not your issue, then you can try one more thing. Simply open up your phone settings and then tap on Applications. From the Applications page, scroll down and tap on Mobile Legends when you see the application. This will then take you into the Application Settings page. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Storage. Now you can try clearing your cache first before you clear your data. Simply tap on the Clear Cache button and this will clear up your cache. Now try opening up the game once again and see if this helps. If it does, then you're good to go. But if it still doesn't work, then you can try clearing your data as well by tapping on Clear Data and then the Delete button. Now all of your data will be cleared. So go ahead and try running the game once again, and now this should stop auto restarting. If it still doesn't help, then one final thing that you can try is to search for the Mobile Legends application on the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then uninstall it by tapping on the uninstall button and reinstall once again. Now finally, this should work. If it still doesn't, you can try contacting the developers through their email directly or leave a comment on the game's page. And there you have it. That is how you can solve the issue of game auto restarting on Mobile Legends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.